Come on! What's up, YouTube? One's Lunch Garage here. Alright, we're going to start working on the Nova project today. I'm going to start by taking the hood off, the fenders off, and probably the inner fenders too. So, let's get started on it. There's a wrong way to take a hood off. Alright, that's one. That was pretty simple, only 2 bolts holding it in. So seems like that's going to be the same way on this side too. Thing's loose. Okay, and just like that, the front end's off. That took me all of, I don't even think it was 5 minutes. So that's not bad. Maybe we can start taking the seats out. So I guess we can get to that. Alright, now we're going to take the seats out. Looks like the seat's only held in by 2 bolts. So how do you beat that? Oh. Take 2 seconds to come out. Look at that. Alright, that's one. Alright, that bolt's out. How do you like that? 2 freaking bolts, seats freaking out. Alright. Now I just gotta pull the thing out, which should be fun to do by myself. So far to take out the fenders, the hood, and this front seat, I think I've taken out like 6 bolts so far. So how do you beat that? Camera down. Alright, now that's out. Let's get the back seat out. Hopefully it's the same way. A few bolts. You notice the floor is really good in this car. I think they're replacements, but still looks good, so I can't complain. The seats are kind of shitty, as you can see, but I'm not gonna reuse them anyway, because I'm gonna put buckets in them. But I think I'm gonna sell these. I could probably put these on Craigslist because they're in pretty good shape. They're not ripped or anything, so somebody might buy them. So, alright, let's get the back seat out. Alright, just like that. Car stripped down. Well, not totally, but fairly well. Interior's all out. I just gotta clean up inside. But definitely got a lot done. Front of the car's off. Seats are out. So definitely a good way to start this project. Next, I'm not really sure what I'll do next. I think I'm gonna get the rear end squared away, because it's a monoleaf car, which means it only has 1 leaf, and I have a set of, I don't know where they are, but I have a set of leaf springs to put in them for racing. So I think I'm gonna do, maybe I might do that next, and then after that maybe I don't know, but I just want to maybe just get the rear end squared away next. So until then, make sure to subscribe, check out my other videos, share this video, and wait for more.